Good morning, class 5 students. Hope you all are fine. Today is 9th July 2020 and the day is Thursday. In today's class, we are going to learn about subtraction. What is subtraction? Taking away number from the given number. We have three sets of subtraction: without borrowing, with zero. Before going to subtraction, let us learn about the three terms which are used for subtraction. First is the number from which the number is subtracting. That is called minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D, minuend. The number which gets subtracted is called subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D, subtrahend. And the result of the subtraction is called difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference, antar. So let us do without borrowing. When does subtraction happen without borrowing? When all the digits of the minuend are more than the digits of the subtrahend. See, 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 1, 7 is greater than 5, 5 is greater than 3. All the digits are greater than the digits of subtrahend. Then without borrowing, subtraction happens. Do it. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Students, if you are not able to do subtraction this speed, then what to do? There are two methods. See, either you start the backward counting from 7 and stop at 5. For example, 7 से backward counting करो, 6, 5. Stop at 5 क्योंकि नीचे वाला number is 5. How many fingers are open? 2. So the answer is 2. This is one way. Other way is कि 5 से जो आपका subtrahend का digit है, you start from there and stop at the minuend digit. ठीक है, जितनी fingers open होगी that is your answer. Let us try. 5 के बाद 6, 7. Stop at 7 क्योंकि minuend का digit 7 था. So how many fingers? 2. So both way you can do. Okay. 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is your difference. Now when with borrowing happens, when some of the digits of the minuend are smaller than the digits of subtrahend, then we have to borrow. Let us do it. 1 is smaller than 5, so it is unable to subtract. So what 1 will do? 1 is very smart. It takes help from the partner. Partner is 2. So 2 will help 1 and become 1. And 1 को जब help मिल जाएगी ना, तो जो भी digit help ले रहा है उसके आगे एक number लग जाएगा 1. So 1 will become 11. 1 के आगे 1 लगाएंगे तो 1 1 11. 11 minus 5. Let us do it. 5 के बाद 11 तक बोलो. 6 7 8 9 10 11. That means 6. Now 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 4. Again the minuend digit is smaller than the subtrahend digit. So what will we do? Borrowing. So 3 will take the borrowing from 7. 7 एक कम हो जाएगा और 3 will become 3 तो ये था, उसके आगे 1 लग जाएगा. 13. 13 minus 4. Count from 4. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So 5 plus 4 9. ठीक है, 13 minus 4 करोगे you will get 9. Now 6 minus 2 4. Once you have cancelled the digit, the new digit will used for subtraction. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is how you will get the difference. Moving to the next. 2 minus 1 1. 4 minus 6 not possible because 4 is smaller than 6. So 4 इससे help लेगा. 3 will become एक number कम. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 2 minus 5 again not possible. So this will become 1 and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 5 you will get 7. 1 minus 4 possible? No, because this is smaller than the other. So 1 will go to this will become 6 and 1 is added to this. Okay, आगे एक नंबर लग जाएगा. 11 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Answer is 7. 6 minus 3 is 3. This is how you will get the difference. Now next concept is with 0. Now students, what is going here? We have some zeros. Earlier we haven't any zero in the minuend. 2 minus 5 possible? No. So 2 will take the help of its partner. But यहाँ पे partner का क्या help है? 0 है. तो but ये partner बड़ा helpful है. Partner will go to its partner. But यहाँ पे क्या देखता है? यहाँ पे भी 0 है. So what will we do? 0 अपने finally partner के पास जाएगा जिसके पास more than 0 है. So 7 will become 6. This number will become 10. बट जैसे ये 10 होता है अपने फ्रेंड की याद आती है उसके पास भी 0 है. सो ये 10 इसको हेल्प करके 9 हो जाता है. इसको भी याद आता है मेरा भी फ्रेंड है उसको भी हेल्प चाहिए. सो ये अगेन 10 बन के हेल्प करने के बाद 9 हो जाता है. एक नंबर कम हो जाता है एंड फाइनली दिस विल बिकम 12. 12 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 2 you do it. 7. 6 minus 8 not possible. So 8 will become, एक कम हो जाएगा 7 हो जाएगा. 6 will become 16. एक आगे नंबर 1 लग जाएगा. 16 minus 8 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. This is the difference. Okay. Same concept has to be repeated. 0 minus 6 not possible. So 0 will go to 8. 8 will become 7. 0 will become 10. क्यों 10 बना? यहाँ पे 9 क्यों नहीं बना? यहाँ पे तो 9 बना था क्योंकि इस 0 को किसी और की हेल्प नहीं करनी है. That means it will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Again we have got a 0. 0 will take the help of its partner. Partner is also 0. So 0 will go to its partner. So finally it will help. They are very helping nature. Okay. So 5. This will become 10. 10 बनने के बाद उसको अपने फ्रेंड की याद आएगी तो वो 9 बन के इसको 10 कर देगा. अब ये 10 ही रहेगा क्योंकि इसको इसकी हेल्प करनी है नहीं करनी ना. सो इट विल बिकम 10. इसलिए यहाँ पे देखना जब हेल्प करेगा तो 9 हो जाएगा नहीं करेगा तो 10 हो जाएगा. देखो ठीक है. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 5 0. When same number is subtracted the answer is 0. 4 minus 1. When 1 is subtracted from any number, the answer is the predecessor. 4 से पहले क्या आता है? 3. This is how you will do it. The last concept for today is checking subtraction through addition. Do you know students? We can check our difference. Okay, the answer of subtraction with the help of addition. Let us start. So let us do subtraction first. 0 minus 4 not possible. So 0 will go to its partner. Partner will be subtracted by 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This 0 will turn 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. This 0 minus 3 not possible. This 0 will go to its partner. Partner एक कम हो जाएगा. 2 से 1 हो जाएगा और 0 के पास एक 1 आ जाएगा 10th place में. 10 minus 3 is 7. 1 minus 1 0. 3 minus 1 2. 4 minus 2 2. Now this is the difference. How will you check? For that you have to write the difference first, that is 22,076, and the subtrahend plus difference. अगर आपको minuend दे रहा है that means आपका जो difference है वो सही है. Let us check. So I have written difference. Now I am writing subtrahend. Let us check by addition whether the sum is equals to this or not. चलो 6 plus 4 10. कैरी 1. एडिशन हो रहा है ना तो कैरी आता है ऊपर. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Can you see both numbers are same? Earlier it was 43,210. Now it is 43,210. तो जब हमारा डिफरेंस एंड सबट्राहेंड का सम माइन्यूहेंड के सिमिलर हो then the answer is your difference is correct. Using the classwork concept What we have understood? Subtraction definition, the three terms related to subtraction, some facts about subtraction, and based on our learning we will be able to do exercise 3.3 as our classwork. This is your page number 27. You will write the question number 1 from the book. A and C part we have done as classwork. I just want to show you the way you have to write. Okay, first write the question and then this way you are going to do your classwork. Second question, find the difference. Difference means subtraction. Two numbers are given to you in horizontal form. You have to write in column vertical. Okay, and then find the difference. I have just explained you how to find the difference. Third question is solve and write the number name of difference. आपको यहाँ पे solve तो करना ही है, बाकी number name भी लिखना है difference का. So A part you will write the question, then you will write it in vertical form and find the answer. At last you will write difference, the number name of difference. 11,434 was my difference. Okay, so I have written in word. So this is how you have to do your classwork. I just turn the page and show you. So you will begin like this. Okay, put today's date, classwork, and do it. Hope you have understood the concept, and then you will get some homework. You do them neatly in your copy. Thank you, students. Bye bye.